Hi honey, this is Sogand. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of a bag strap or headband. So let's say together. Start the slip knot and chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is my front loop and this is my back loop. Insert your hook in back loop of my second chain and pull up loop, third chain and pull up loop, fourth chain and pull up loop, fifth chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook in next chain and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times, 4 times, and the last time. Yarn over and pull up loop 5 times. Insert your hook in next chain and pull up loop. Insert your hook in next 5 chains and pull up loop 4 and 5. Yarn over, pull through first 5 loops, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now pull through next 5 loops and your hook, pull through next 5 loops, chain 2, now chain 2, pull through next 5 loops and your hook, then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Pull through last 5 loops, chain 1, insert your hook in first space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, insert your hook and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop twice, 3 times, and the last time. Insert your hook in middle and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop once, yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times, 4 and 5 times. Insert your hook in next space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop once, twice, 3 times, and the last time. Insert your hook in this loop and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first 5 loops and your hook, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, then pull through next 5 loops and your hook, then chain 2, 1 and 2, then pull through next 5 loops and your hook, then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, then pull through last 5 loops, then chain 1. Repeat again. Insert your hook in first space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, insert your hook and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Insert your hook in middle and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop once, yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times, 4 and 5 times. Insert your hook in next space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop, Insert your hook and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop twice, 3 times, and 4 times. Insert your hook in last loop and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first 5 loops on your hook, chain 3. Pull through next 5 loops and chain 2. Pull through next 5 loops and chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Then pull through last 5 loops, chain 1. Once more, insert your hook in first space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop once, twice, 3, and 4 times. Insert your hook in the middle and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 5 times, once, twice, 3, 4, and 5 times. Insert your hook in next space and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop 4 times, once, twice, 3 times, and the last time. Insert your hook in last loop and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first 5 loops, chain 3, then pull through next 5 loops, chain 2, 1 and 2. Pull through next 5 loops, then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3 chains. Then pull through last 5 loops, chain 1. Keep going. Now I reach my desired length. Thank you for watching my video. We hope you loved this video. Show us some love by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Talk to you later. Bye.